Hello everyone, thanks for joining us here on Horizon. Well, in its glory days, the manufacturing sector made up about 1/3 of the American economy. Today, just 10% of Americans work in manufacturing. Now, the conventional wisdom about manufacturing's decline goes something like this. U.S. manufacturers went offshore to chase cheaper labor, lowering operating costs and trying to capture emerging markets in the developing world. Yet here in Oklahoma, manufacturing remains a cornerstone of this state's economy. Deidre Myers is with Oklahoma's Department of Commerce.
There has been a big change and an evolution in manufacturing. And manufacturing today is not what manufacturing was like in the 1970s or 1980s. So when people say, well, manufacturing is a dying industry, they're somewhat correct in that the old manufacturing is definitely gone. That kind of manufacturing has been offshore because it doesn't require a knowledge or a skill. So you want to go to the very cheapest labor possible. And those, quite frankly, aren't the jobs that we want Oklahomans to have. We want Oklahomans to have jobs that have good wages so that they can invest in their household and have economic opportunities for their children.
In fact, manufacturing jobs on average pay roughly 43% above Oklahoma's median income. And while much of the U.S. has seen their manufacturing sector shrink, Oklahoma manufacturers have entered a new renaissance.
Over the past year, Oklahoma manufacturing has actually grown by 5%. And over about the past 18 months, Oklahoma has ranked in the top 3 in terms of year-over-year growth rate in the entire U.S. If we look at just the last year, there are 18 states that had no manufacturing growth or manufacturing loss. However, Oklahoma has grown by over 5%. Now, a lot of that is around the energy and aerospace. For instance, we manufacture a lot of the pumps, valves, and compressors that are being used in the current extraction that's going on, the energy revival of the entire Midwest, particularly in North Dakota and Western Canada. So we're exporting those goods to those other states and to other countries and creating a lot of wealth for Oklahomans.
And Myers says over the next 10 years, there will be almost 90,000 job openings in Oklahoma, either producing manufactured goods or transporting them to market. And according to Myers, producing the skilled workers to fill those jobs should be one of the state's top priorities. When we return, Made in the USA in Tonkawa, Oklahoma.